Welcome back guys. In this class we are going to study about the naming rules. Like what are some rules for defining the names of variable in Python language. So let's start this lecture. Names are case sensitive and cannot start with number. So one thing that is pre-decided and predefined that you cannot start the name of any variable with a number. Like you cannot write a number like this is Bob, B-O-B. But if you type here 1, B-O-B Bob, 1 Bob, then it would be a bad naming convention and the interpreter will immediately give you an error. So there are some examples. The valid way of declaring or defining a name of a variable, like this is simple, and then you can use the uppercase, or you can use the underscore in the start of the name, or you can use the number but in between the name, or in between the name of a variable, in between the alphabets you cannot use the number in the start of the name. So this is a pre-decided or predefined rule of Python, so you cannot start the name with a number. So this is another example of defining a name, and this is another. So you can all use uppercase or lowercase, but you have to make sure that all the names of the variables should not be similar to the reserved words, as its name implies that reserved words are the words that are reserved by the script writer or the developer of any language. So he has reserved all these words for some other use, and these reserved words are also called as keywords. As you can see here, this is and, we use it for and operator. Break is used in the conditional statement. Class is used to define the class. So all these are the built-in functions, or some are built-in methods, and some are built-in keywords. So we cannot use all these names as a variable names. Like del is used for deleting for delete function. So there is a great difference between reserved words and the normal words or the variable names. Okay guys, this is all about naming rules and naming conventions in Python language. I hope you have a good understanding of this lecture. So see you in the next lecture.